Hi, David Campanile here, owner of Campanile Law, located in the state of New Jersey. We handle estate planning and probate. As always, if you have any estate planning or probate questions and want to set up a free strategy session with me, contact me at njestateattorney.com. So today's video is not really about like something specific about estate planning. It's more of like it's more about creating a routine. So, and what do I mean by that? So after you've created an estate plan, it's really important that you constantly review your estate plan. Now, by constantly, I'm not saying every week or every day. What I'm saying is every 6 months, every year. So I like to kind of look at reviewing your estate planning documents as filing your taxes. We know April 15th every year, except the last 2 years because of the COVID-19 pandemic, has been tax day, and our taxes need to be filed that day. So you're probably thinking, David, where are you going with this? And what I'm saying is, just like we make sure our taxes are done by a certain date every year, what we should be doing is reviewing our estate plan at least once a year, making sure our beneficiaries are still who we want them to be, making sure we have not acquired new assets that we haven't specifically given away, making sure our nominated executor is still alive, or is that who you want to control, making sure the people in your power of attorney or medical power of attorney are still who you want to make decisions for you. Because things change, situations change. Sad part, marriages fail. So if you were relying on your spouse and now you're divorced or separated, you really don't want that individual making decisions for you anymore. So you may now turn to your parent or a relative or a friend of yours to now make decisions for you. You're not going to want your ex in control of your estate if something were to happen to you, or receiving something. So those would be reasons to update, maybe to review. If you've had another child, a reason to review. These are also things to add. And then what we do is we create codicils, or we create brand new documents, because it's relatively simple and inexpensive to just change something really quick, to make sure you're happy. So the title of this is called Creating a Routine. So when reviewing your estate plan, every 6 months, once a year, you sit down, review it, make sure it's still what you're happy with. If you want to sit down with an attorney, your estate planning attorney or myself, bring those documents. We'll sit down, we'll review your documents, make sure you're happy with everything, and that's how you just keep everything fresh. Because what happens with these documents a lot of the time are people leave them in a drawer somewhere for 20 or 25 years, and then when they're older, people that they've named are no longer there, and it becomes a scramble. So this avoids the headaches that the executor may have or the power of attorney may have later. So again, just create a routine, just like you file your taxes. Hey, even when you're filing your taxes, after you've sent them to your accountant, pull out the estate plan and read it that day. It shouldn't take you that long, maybe a half hour, an hour. That's really what I'm telling you to give to this process. And like I've said, if you want to sit down with an estate planning attorney, with your estate planning attorney or myself, that's always welcomed. I really hope you found this video informative today. I know it's not like my typical videos, but I thought this was something really important that everyone needs to hear. If you found this video informative, please give us a big like, share it out, follow us on Facebook, subscribe to us on YouTube. If you know somebody who's going through estate planning or probate process, please have them reach out, send them this video, tell them you were thinking about them. And as always, if you're looking to sit down with me to conduct your free estate planning session, reach out to me at njestateattorney.com. I'm happy to answer any and all questions pertaining to this video, estate planning or probate. Hey, you could have questions that don't pertain and I want to answer them anyway. So, as always, I'm David Campanile, owner of Campanile Law, located in the state of New Jersey. We do estate planning and probate.